We got the CRKT, is there a name on this one? The Provoke. It is made in Taiwan. So, oh man, come on now. This is absolutely something special. We have some paperwork and just a very straightforward unboxing on this one. But the knife takes the cake. I mean, everything here is just put into the knife pretty much. Oh man, what in the Transformers do we have going on here? First things first, we're going to get the magnet of truth. Yes, we have steel going on these parts. No pull there. This tab is going to be steel. And yeah, we're going to go we're going to go ahead and check this thing out. Again, this is one of those that has been around for a minute, but it is my first time checking it out here. I'm going to put my index finger on the karambit hole, and intuitively something tells me to just press down. Oh, that's nice. Press down on this thing. And if you do it with a fast motion, ooh, baby, that is some very, very naughty blade going on there. Absolutely a hawksbill going on with a flat grind. It is a Caswell design. I want to say the same designer who designed that hatchet that also folds, which is very interesting. Hopefully I get a chance to check that one out here in the channel soon. Let me know in the comments if you'll be interested in seeing that. But yes, this is the type of geometry that's going to trap material. As soon as it goes into whatever material is cutting, it's going to dig more and more and more. And it's virtually impossible to taper off your cut with this recurve geometry, that's for sure. So flat grind being very, very slicey. I want to say almost chisel ground in a way, because this whole part is indeed flat. And this one is the one that has the angle on the show side. So interesting geometry there for sure. But hold on a second. We gotta just play around with this. Hold on. How do we? What's the password? How do we close this thing? Hold on a second. That is solid. That is locked in place. Hold the phone. There you go. There we go. Okay. So we got this little lever right here. That's where it locks. So we're gonna go ahead and pull back. Take a look at this area there. Bam. All right, so let's try to do one whole operation here. So if I have, you know, the regular grip here and I want to, bam, deploy it, how am I going to be able to close it? Well, it's going to be a little bit weird in this position here. I might have to get some practice. For now, I'm going to do it two-handed just because, yeah, so you can see this is quite something. Oh, man, that is very, very snappy on the open. The way it clicks on, the resistance buildup. There we go. Did they get creative with the pocket clip? Is that what this is? Oh, wow. Check this out. So this is under, I mean, if you push down here, there's like a hollow section right underneath there, which allows you to press down on this, what looks like a pocket clip. And then you can lift it as such. And that way you can carry this guy. There's going to be very little tension there whatsoever. So it's going to go in and out of the pocket pretty smoothly, especially on the pull out. All right, that's where you want to go ahead and grip it by the karambit ring, take it out of your pocket, and go about destroying some cardboard boxes on trash day. Now, this is not a self-defense channel in any way, shape, or form. I mean, you could see where something like this would definitely excel at that if you were gonna fight a ninja behind the Walmart parking lot. But man, talk about a very interesting, cool knife and locking system here to add to the collection. The CRKT Provoke Caswell design. Man, this is super, super interesting. And definitely quirky, right? Absolutely fitting the bill here for this kind of video. I also like the monochromatic colors on this one. I want to say there are some blacked out versions. There's definitely other variants, but feels nice and comfortable on the ring here. The grip is nice and comfortable, nice and contour all the way around. I'm sure the titanium helps with the overall weight. Has some decent weight to it, but nothing crazy. And yeah, just absolutely love the fit and finish with the overall sort of gray look to it. $1 million question, is it lefty friendly? Well, we'll find out in a second, but even the attention to detail here, there's some jimping here where you would go about deploying the knife. That's a nice little call there. And then as a lefty, bam. The answer is yes, you can make it happen. You'll grip pretty much the knife about the same way with your index finger in the hole, right? All other fingers follow suit. And yeah, lefty friendly indeed. I'm surprised they were able to pull that off. That's crazy. Guys, let me know your thoughts on the CRKT Provoke. This has to be one of their quirkiest knives I've seen. Absolutely a very cool, unique piece. You know this is going to be part of my collection going forward. I'm very, very excited for it.